let my heart choose what is real. The storm inside begins to ease. My breath grows warm against the freeze. I never thought I'd feel this calm, but healing slowly in my palms. Like snowfall on my strength, it settles in a last, covering the wounds from everything that's past. I'm rising through the cold, becoming something new. This healing didn't come from you, it came from what I fought to do. I see myself with kinder eyes, a softer truth beneath the lies. I'm choosing light, I'm choosing me, unwrapping who I'm meant to be. I'm walking out of what you broke, past ashes, hurt, and every choke. This winter won't be what it was. I'm stepping into who I love. Like snowfall on my strength, it settles in a last, covering the wounds from everything that's past. I'm rising through the cold, becoming something new. This healing didn't come from you, it came from what I fought to do.